Would you guys believe me if I told you this lasagna was vegan? Well, it is, and here's how to make it. You're going to make your vegan meat sauce using onions, celery, Vivera plant mince, which is a really great bite to it, so it tastes super similar to beef, and it's a great alternative if you're doing veganuary. Tomato puree, seasoning, and tinned tomatoes. Then you want to make the cheese sauce with equal amounts of butter and flour. Slowly add in milk until a thick sauce forms. I then added in 2 large handfuls of vegan cheese and some nutritional yeast for that nutty, cheesy flavour. Then layer your lasagna with vegan meat sauce, pasta and cheese sauce, and then repeat until it's done. Cook at 180 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes and you're done.